Let me introduce one of my latest projects done with Excel programming. My client asked for a solution to help the administration of the incoming goods. They do have an ERP system, but this task was cumbersome to carry out in it. Let's see the result. In this section, the user can select the basic inputs they want to work on. These are standard drop-down list and command buttons. These buttons are for managing the active job one step later, while the work is finalized with the red ones. The user pre-filters and then selects the company who delivered the goods via drop-down list. When a certain purchase order is selected, Excel connects to the ERP system and reads all the details. The user compares the paper document with the items on the purchase order, and in case of a match, they use shortcuts to manage them. It makes the job quite effective. A practical lookup function was implemented which highlights the items matching with the searched text. These buttons activate the less frequent options like automatic full acceptance of the order or deletion of some rows. When the list matches with the delivered goods, it can be finalized and saved to a location, so it is ready to upload to the live system.